travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So run away with me and say hello to New York City.
Hello my beloveds, welcome. I'm so glad you guys are here. I have an amazing video for you. So many of you have been asking me for this. This is one of my most highly requested videos. So many of you asked me, Dr. Elizabeth, how do you get a tone, tight, sexy yet curvy abs and belly? And so today I'm going to share with you 3 powerful yet super simple ways to burn belly fat and body fat. So if you guys want to know that, stay tuned. And in the meantime, I heard you. So many of you from the last video said, Dr. Elizabeth, yes, please let's do the vision board. So I'm putting all the materials together. I'm getting all the photos together. So very soon, I promise you, we're going to be doing the vision board. And in the meantime, you guys know, like, subscribe, and share if you're enjoying these videos. Share them with your friends and family. And remember, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, make sure to hit that notification bell. So, enough chitty chat. Let's start burning some belly fat. So come on, let's get going. Let's go, Rick.
And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard.
Let's go into the kitchen because I have an amazing fat burning, belly fat busting juice for you guys to try. Come on, let's go. My secret weapon for burning belly fat and also for massively enhancing your health is pure celery juice. The sodium from the salt is incredibly healing, and so if you start your morning with pure celery juice, not only is it going to burn fat on your body, so it's going to help you lose weight, it's also going to help you detox, and it can help alleviate diseases that you might have in your body. This is miracle stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm taking a whole stalk of organic celery. Organic is much better. And I'm going to chop it up, pop it in here, and I'm going to drink 16 ounces. It's pretty potent. You can build yourself up to that. And if you really can't tolerate the taste, then you can go ahead and add a little lemon to it. You can go ahead and add a little apple to it. But you really want to get to the point where you're drinking pure celery juice first thing in the morning. Salute! Amortisante! Nostrovia! To your health. All right. And to leaner, meaner, sexier, nice flat tummy, you. It's an acquired taste, but it really is incredibly delicious. Cheers! Tip number 2, get moving. Here's the thing, my beloveds. It's great to work on your abdominal muscles, but if your abdominal muscles are covered by a layer of fat, you can't see them anyway. So the key to burning belly fat and body fat is cardiovascular exercise. So today I'm going to show you lots of different ways that you can get out, get your body moving. I don't care if you run, walk, dance, skip, jump. You can do cartwheels if you want. Just get out and get your body moving. And here's the secret. The more you get your body moving, the more it's going to want to move, because your body starts to emit endorphins, which are our feel-good chemicals. So now you're starting to move, you're starting to get going, and your body starts emitting endorphins. Now you feel even better, you want to exercise more, you want to get out even more, and it promotes this very beautiful upward cycle of success. The more we do, the more we want to do, and that's what keeps you going. And my beloveds, while you're out exercising, my bonus tip is what I love to call beautiful water. I talked about this last year in the fall in a couple of my videos. Drinking water throughout the day is a wonderful way to detox and cleanse our body. A lot of people really don't like the taste of water, which is why I suggest to people to do beautiful water. Beautiful water is very, very simple. You can take lemon, you can take mint, you can take berries, you can take any kind of fruit you want, and you just drop it into the water, and it just adds just a little bit of taste to it, and it makes it just a little easier for you to drink your 8+ glasses of water and detox your body.
If you never go, so run away with me. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year.
Close your eyes, you guys.
And you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the
Now you can open up your eyes. Just in time for me to share my last tip. All right, you guys ready? So here's the secret, my beloveds. You guys know I talk about this in my book. I talk about this in my 7-day program. I'm talking about this on my YouTube channel videos all the time. And that's juicy sleep. The sleep we get before midnight. The earlier you guys go to bed and the better sleep you get, the better it is for your health and well-being. And I'm going to tell you why. When we're tired, when we don't get enough sleep, it stresses our body and it causes us to emit cortisol. Cortisol is one of the substances in our body that holds fat. My beloveds, if you guys just went to sleep earlier and got a good full night sleep, most of us need 7 to 8 hours. If you guys just did that every single night and nothing else, you would drop weight. You would drop those excess kilos and pounds that you've been trying to get rid of and have a nice, flat, sexy tummy. So do me a favor. Pinky's gonna promise me that you guys will go to sleep earlier than usual this week. Message me below and let me know and get a good night's rest. You'll wake up in the morning, you'll have your celery juice, which starts making you feel better already, starts detoxing you, and then you're gonna go ahead and take your beautiful water with you. You're gonna go and exercise first thing in the morning like I shared with you. And now instead of emitting cortisol, which actually holds body fat, you're gonna be doing the opposite. You're actually gonna be releasing endorphins, which not only makes us feel amazing, but also helps us release weight. So, with no further ado, my beloveds, I'm gonna take my little booty to bed and get some beauty sleep. So, I love you guys lots. You know what to do. You guys know the drill. Like, subscribe, share. Make sure to hit that little notification bell so you know my videos are going to be posted. Also, you know what? We're going to talk more about this in my vision board video, which is coming up. I heard you guys. I know you guys really want to do this video, and I promise you it's coming up very, very soon. And one of my goals is to really build this community because, we talk about the updraft factor. Together, we are so much stronger. And my vision is to get us past 100,000 as soon as possible. So you guys do your part by telling your friends. If you really are loving the channel and you're loving the content, share the word, invite other people to come join our family, and together, we're much stronger. And remember, my beloveds, I love you to infinity and back, and we can do this. Mwah. Ciao. Sweet dreams. Night. I have to get under the covers. Hang on. Sweet dreams. Night, night.